producers? What's good producers? It's your boy Mikasa here, and in this video we are about to make some loops like Lil Baby and all other artists. So stay with me and let's get started. Okay, I'm here in FL Studio as always. I have a loaded Omnisphere here, and I'm about to maybe load another instruments, but that later. Now I'm about to first switch the BPM, so maybe 127, and I'm about to drag the scale that I want to use. So guys, if you want me to send you this scale helper, feel free to tell me in comments in the below what it does. So when you drag this, you will have a ghost notes and you'll be able to make loops easier. This thing is very good for the beginners, and you can try it. So for example, let's use maybe C minor for example, and just drag this, and that's pretty much it. Now we can drag the pattern here. We will use just a 4-bar loop, and let's go to the song. Nothing's playing, but if you go to the Omnisphere piano roll, we have that. We have ghost notes, and we have the scale, we have the key that we can play. Okay, so I loaded Omnisphere here, as you can see, and I have loaded this ambient space piano if you wanna use this preset. And what I did here, I just turned off Pro Reverb and other reverbs because this piano has tons of reverb, and we can add our own. And now I'm about to start making some loops right now. The best thing maybe for you is just by starting for some random note and building that notes next. So now I'm about to use 1-3 steps here this time, and you will see why. And let's get started with the sum, maybe G. Let's just start with G. And maybe we want to make something like a faster. That's why I'm about to use 1-3 steps. So for example, something like this. Now I'm just want to play and to fit what I think would be the best. Okay, this is the note I like, and now I just want to repeat this all the time. So for example, I'm just going to short this C, and I'm about to maybe repeat those notes here. Okay, this is really fire. I like the way it's going. So as you can see, it's really simple. Start by choosing just placing some random note. And why I used 1-3 steps, because we want to make that Lil Baby faster thing in 1-3 steps. And as you can see, I just placed some notes, and that's pretty much it. Now we can loop this. Oh, sorry. We can loop this, and after I loop this, we can maybe change something here to not being repetitive all the time. But let's hear what we got now. Or if you want to make it like a really easier, I can maybe change some here, like this. Okay, this is really fire. I like how this is going. Now maybe I'll just going to change some notes here. And now that's pretty much it. Now I can maybe change something here as well. Let's check it out. Maybe this root note here. Let's see how this will sound. Now we're just going down. So if you want to like make loops like this, we can just in the first 2 bar we can have something like this, and the root note, just change the root note down or up, and we'll see much better difference. So maybe let's pitch this out. Let's see how this will sound. This is real fire. Now we can just add some reverb. I'm going to use a stock plugin, very simple. And I'm about to use maybe EQ, just cut those lower frequencies here. And just some frequencies that are really hard to listen. This is really fire how this sounds. Now let's open Nexus. Now let's place one more sound here. I have for Metro Boomin some presets I found. This one is one of my favorites, bell. But I'm about to maybe choose like this. So for example, maybe some of you didn't know this, but you have Nexus. You can just go here. You can go to the mix, and we'll see all the sounds here that are playing. So you can turn off some, turn on some, play with that, and that's it. And you have like a effects that you can play with it here. But that maybe we can do in the next tutorial. Now I'm about to just play some guitar melody here. I'm about to maybe follow the main melody, main notes that I played. Okay, like this. Now, what I want to do is just I want to maybe play some pads over that just to fill that empty space, and that's pretty much it for the loop. Very simple, very easy. I'm about to also clone this Nexus and just find some pads that I can use here. Okay, maybe let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. We can use this one as well. I think I know one great preset that I have like a tons of. Okay, I think this is one. Oh, this one. Okay, or let's just play one and we can change the sound. I'll just turn the volume down. Okay, this is perfect. I like the way we made this. It's really fire. We're very simple with just a few notes, counter notes, and that's it. Now I'm about to maybe add some effects here. And I'm about to also to again after I finish the loop, I'm about to export it and pitch it up that I usually do, and we made a banger. So let's play some. Now let's just do a little mix and just add some effects here. Maybe I'm going to use Effectrix here. Maybe some reverse. I just want to try it. Okay, I want to maybe add more reverb on these bells here, on these bells, and I'm about to maybe use EQ, but I'm about to cut almost everything here. And I'm going to leave this, and I think this is pretty much loop done. Okay, that's pretty much it. We want to mix it like right now, like at the wall loop. But now I'm about to export this. Okay, not this one. Let's just export it as MP3 for now. And just play some desktop. Let's call it Little Baby Melody. So we know the key C minor, 127 BPM. Very simple, very easy. While this is exporting, we have like all these scales here that I can send you if you want to. Feel free to tell me in comments below, and that's it. Now I'm about to drag this melody here, and this is what I always do almost, to pitch down the melody, and that's pretty much it. Okay, maybe I can do this just for like not that much, and let's hear it. Okay, now I think I have some drum loops here that I can play over this loop, and that's it. So I'm not sure how this BPM will fit, but let's just check it out just to see how this will sound like overall. I just have to extend this a little bit just to like make it really like a smooth loop, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now when you have this up like a down loop, you can just maybe add like more effects here. So for example, I can just apply the effects that I used before. I have portal, but I don't want to use it this time. I can just try it this time, but for those who don't have portal, you can just use cross beat or something like that. Now I can just play with this. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the loop. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and feel free to tell me everything you want to learn in the comments below. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you next video. Bye.